Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have our 2019 Kia Sportage SX Turbo. This is our pre-owned model with 35,000 miles on it. Does it say what color it is? Black cherry. Black cherry over tan. This is the first time I've ever seen this spec before. And it actually is a really nice spec. All the interiors I've ever seen have been black interiors. I've never seen a colored interior on one of these. The SX, that is. It's actually a really nice car. 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, made it to the automatic, of course. I believe it is a 6-speed or 8-speed. We'll find out. Owner's manual. What does it say? 613. Of course, it's not going to tell me. Well, you know what? Let's say it's the 6-speed auto. Do have downhill brake control. Couple different drive modes: Eco, Normal, Sport. I'll be driving it in Sport. Now, it is braking itself. Cancel it, either press the button or press the gas. Do have paddle shifters, definitely welcome in here. I'm gonna say this is a 6-speed. Sportage slots, well, in 2019, sorry, I'm moving the camera around. 2019, we didn't have the Seltos, but now it slots between the Seltos, well, it goes Soul, Seltos, Sportage, Sorrento, Telluride. With the Carnival Technic. Yes, Kia says it's a multi-purpose vehicle. It's a minivan. So I'll call it what it is. It's a minivan. So that's in a class of its own. Driving dynamics, actually very, very sporty. Good amount of steering feel and heft, while also having a good amount of power. Put it in manual mode, you just move the shifter over to the left. It has a dedicated manual mode. Then you can use either the shifter or the paddles behind the wheel. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.